Yeah, what's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy Dilipo, your boy GG, back with a new video. So guys, in today's video I wanna show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your PC using Bluetooth. See. So what you wanna do first, you have to go to your Bluetooth. Let's go to your Bluetooth setting. I'm just gonna it's gonna forget. Because I'm gonna show you from scratch. So I'm just gonna forget. Let me just remove the device. Yeah, as you can see, it's gone. So what you wanna do is press the share button in the PS5 logo at the same time. Look, so at the same time until it blinks. See, oh no, I did it wrong. Let me do it with my right hand side, but I can't do it with my left hand side. Yeah, as you can see, it's off. So what you wanna do is press these two at the same time. See, you must keep on pressing until it blinks. Oh man, let me just do this so that I can show you nice. So let's press these two buttons at the same time. As you can see, when it starts flashing like this, what you want to do is go to your Bluetooth and press on add Bluetooth. So it's gonna show you. As you can see, they say when it's connected, it's gonna stay blue. As you can see, it's connected. So yeah, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Peace out. Thanks for watching and like. Peace out.